Life can get busy, but keeping up with daily dust and dirt doesn't have to slow you down. With the Roomba 600 series vacuuming robot from iRobot, it doesn't have to. You don't even need to be at home to do the cleaning. The iRobot Home app allows you to clean and schedule on the go. Just press clean, and the robot goes to work, navigating around your home to find dust and dirt wherever they hide, cleaning along walls and sweeping dirt from edges and corners. The Roomba vacuuming robot moves easily from hard floors to carpet and over thresholds. It cleans under furniture, around clutter, and avoids stairs and other drop-offs. The patented 3-stage cleaning system loosens, lifts, and suctions dirt, dust, and even large debris. The Roomba 600 series cleans for up to 60 minutes, then automatically returns to the home-based charging station, so it's always ready to clean. You can schedule the robot to vacuum every day of the week, and with the iRobot Home app, you can connect to clean from anywhere, anytime. Let the Roomba 600 series help with the vacuuming, so you're free to handle everything else life throws your way. You and iRobot, better together.